Right now, millions of people are asking the exact same question: how do I keep from getting replaced by an algorithm? If you are treating AI like a standard software update, like Excel on steroids, you're already falling behind. In his game changing book, Co-Intelligence: Living and Working with AI, Wharton professor Ethan Mollick drops a truth bomb. AI is not a tool, it's an alien intelligence wearing a human mask. It mimics our speech, jokes, and rhythms, but underneath, it's a predictive engine. And the professionals who survive the current wave of automated layoffs aren't the ones fighting the machine. They're the ones learning to master co-intelligence, the art of working with the alien. In this video, we're breaking down Mollick's core frameworks into highly actionable strategies you can implement today to guarantee your employability, master reskilling, and build a career that AI can't touch. Let's dive in. To protect your job, you first need to understand where AI shines and where it completely face plants. Mollick calls this the jagged frontier. For humans, skills scale logically. If you can write an advanced corporate strategy report, you can obviously count the words in a sentence, but for an AI, the boundary of capability is deeply uneven. An LLM can instantly draft a brilliant 2,000-word marketing proposal, but it might hallucinate a basic historical fact or struggle with a simple logic puzzle. Let's look at the jagged frontier today. What is your layoff-proof strategy? Map the frontier. Do not assume a task is safe just because it feels complex to you. Map your daily responsibilities. If a task lies completely inside the frontier, like basic coding, text drafting, or data filtering, expect it to be automated soon. Own the interrogation. The value of a professional shifts from producing output to auditing output. Your new job description is critical interrogation, finding the errors, biases, and logical flaws outside the AI's jagged edge. Concept 2: the 4 rules of survival. How do you build co-intelligence on a daily basis? Mollick lays out 4 non-negotiable rules for the modern workforce. Rule 1: always invite AI to the table. Don't just use it when you're stuck. Run every project through it to see how it thinks. Use AI on a daily basis to learn its language and abilities. Rule 2: be the human in the loop. Because AI hallucinates, accountability rests entirely on you. If the AI writes a bad report and you turn it in, you get fired, not the algorithm. So be the person who controls and supervises the AI to give the correct output. Rule 3: treat it like an alien mind. Don't ask it questions like it's Google. Give it a distinct persona. Tell it, you are a brutal venture capitalist auditing my pitch deck. Challenge it and train it, be a second alien brain, and to give answers different perspectives. Rule 4: assume this is the worst AI you will ever use. Let that sink in. The AI you are using right now is the most primitive version you will ever encounter for the rest of your life. The AI will keep on improving continuously. If you aren't adapting to this version, next year's model will leave you completely stranded. When it comes to actual employability and reskilling, Mollick discovered that top-tier professionals split themselves into 2 operational camps: centaurs and cyborgs. To protect your career, you need to choose your style. The centaur approach: you use human skills and also AI skills, which are distinct. This is a clear, strategic division of labor. You keep human tasks and AI tasks separate. Example: you do the face-to-face client negotiation and build the relationship, then hand off the raw data compilation entirely to the AI. You switch back and forth cleanly. The cyborg approach: this is deep integration of human and AI. This is deep, fluid integration. You and the AI blend together dynamically, execution by execution. Example: you are writing an email. The AI finishes your sentence. You edit its word choice. It suggests a better structural pivot. You rewrite the core hook. You are working in a continuous feedback loop. Your layoff-proof strategy: if your role is highly relational or requires immense physical contextual nuance, build a centaur framework. Keep your human monopoly skills front and centered. If your role is highly digital, design, engineering, content analysis, you must become a cyborg. The market will no longer hire pure human skills for these roles. They will hire workers who can seamlessly co-create with machines at triple the speed. Jensen also mentions this.
If you're not engaging AI actively and aggressively, you're doing it wrong. You're not going to lose your job to AI. You're going to lose your job to somebody who uses AI. Your company is not going to go out of business because of AI. Your company is going to go out of business because another company used AI. There's no question about that. And so you have to engage AI as quickly as possible.
The irony of the AI shift is that the very technology threatening legacy jobs is your absolute best tool for reskilling. In the book, Maulik outlines how AI can act as a world-class tutor and career coach. If you are facing a layoff or trying to break into a new, safer industry, you no longer need to wait for an expensive corporate training program. You can self-direct your own evolution. Actionable prompt frameworks to deploy. Tonight, the skill gap. Prompt: I am a traditional project manager looking to pivot into AI product operations. Act as an elite career coach. Review my current skill set, insert skills, and outline the top 3 gaps I need to bridge to remain employable. Give me a 4-week micro learning roadmap. The blind spot prompt: act as a hypercritical corporate auditor. Look at this description of my daily work routine. Insert routine. Point out exactly which parts of my job are most vulnerable to automation in the next 12 months, and tell me what human skills I should double down on to remain indispensable. Put these prompts in ChatGPT/Claude/Gemini, or even all of them, giving all details of your current skills and job work routine. Get the answers and work to learn and develop the skills required to not only survive but to thrive in the AI age. Ethan Mollick's ultimate conclusion in co-intelligence isn't bleak. It's incredibly empowering. AI is leveling the playing field. It boosts the capabilities of beginners faster than it boosts experts, meaning your capacity to learn and adapt matters far more than what you majored in. The future doesn't belong to the smartest algorithm, nor does it belong to the stubborn human refusing to change. It belongs to the individuals who build a collaborative partnership with technology. If you want to read more about this framework, definitely check out Co-Intelligence book, for which an Amazon link is given below. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases without any burden on you. Drop a comment below. Are you currently working as a centaur or a cyborg in your daily job? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more actionable deep dives into future-proofing your career and suggestions for different careers in the AI age. See you in the next video.